Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to hide Snapchat story from someone. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Snapchat application. If you don't have that, you can simply install that from your Google Play Store and then open it. From here, make sure they are logged into your account, and after that tap on your profile icon from the upper left corner. You will land on this page. Here under my story, you will see an option that says add to my story, and on that section you will get three dot icon. Tap on there. A dialog box will pop up. From there tap on story settings. You will land on this. Now here, as you can see, there are two options, friends only and custom. If you select friends only, only your friends will be able to view your story. Or if you want to go with the custom, tap on custom, and from here you can select the friend that I want to block from viewing your Snap stories. Once you select that, and in this way you can hide Snapchat story from someone. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.